What's up, guys? I'm Chef Fonzo, and today I'm here with a special guest, Mr. Bear, and we're gonna be trying out my special, new and improved chicken Alfredo.
Really, Fonzo?
My name is Fonzo, and I'm in 11th grade.
Food is the best thing on the planet. Chicken Alfredo is my favorite food. So I always like to cook my chicken first, just so I can get it out the way. Because I used to cook the chicken in the middle of the Alfredo sauce, and the Alfredo sauce just wouldn't turn out right, or I forget about it. So I always make sure to cook the chicken first, put it aside, and then I cook the noodles next, so they done and over with. Because those are like the longest taking things. The sauce gonna take like 5-10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, when I started making chicken Alfredo at first, I got very sidetracked. So, and I'd be waiting on like the Alfredo sauce to heat up. I'd forget about it, and then the cheese I forget to like stir it, so the cheese would burn, or like it'd be like, it just wouldn't look like good Alfredo sauce. Today I'm gonna just teach y'all how to make the sauce. Put the heavy whipping cream in the pan, heat it up a little bit. Probably put like a little bit of oil or butter in there, and then I'd continuously stir it until the heavy whipping cream, it got like a little foamy, but not that. And then I stir and get rid of all the foam. And then I put a fair amount of Parmesan cheese. I use Parmesan cheese. I know some people don't like mozzarella or something. I use Parmesan cheese for my Alfredo. And then I just continuously stir it till my hand got tired. And then I look at it, I look at the sauce, give it a close look, and then I, take the spatula and I raise it up. I feel like if it, takes its time falling, it means it's thickened up and it's ready now. So then, I like putting seasonings in my sauce. I put a little bit of salt, pepper, maybe garlic, a little bit of Italian seasoning. But I already seasoned the chicken, and the seasoning for the chicken gonna season the Alfredo sauce, so I don't put that much in there. And then I pour the chicken in there, and then I pour the noodles in there. I just stir it all around, and then I put the top on, and I let it simmer for like 5 minutes, and then stir it again, and then I eat it.
So let's taste this concoction you made, right? I'm gonna taste the chicken first. Okay, you season the chicken a little bit.
A little bit.
It was a little bit. You seasoned it a little bit. Let me see what this tastes
I
like.
seasoned that thing to the bone.
Well, somebody did tell you to marinate it over the weekend, so maybe that's why I got so much flavor.
Yeah, somebody was me.
Your teacher and the chef and the professional told you to do it over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Because I knew that Monday was coming. So let me hope this is gonna make my stomach hurt.
It's good. Not just because I made it, but because it's just naturally good.
You did a good job.
Thank you. Thank you, Chef.
Good, good five. High five on top. Let's do it. And the thyme in there.
I added the thyme.
Oh! You added the thyme.
I added the thyme, the little
cameras don't lie, sir.
Okay, and the camera gonna show me, my hand, sprinkling the thyme all over.
I believe it's gonna show another hand handing you it, and then you
that was my third hand. Well, that concludes our chicken Alfredo improved taste test by Chef Fonzo and special guest star Mr. Bear.